My dearest of friends, today we're going to be sharing with you the elements of growing your own wheatgrass. Yes, you can do it right now out of the depths of this winter. Imagine a tray of wheatgrass in your kitchen. You can do it. So, let us begin by germinating some wheat berries, just ordinary wheat berries that you buy in the store, organic, but of course, soak them overnight and then rinse them for 2 or 3 days, and then you'll have a bowl of sprouted wheatgrass berries. And then get some good rich potting soil. You'll find it at your local nursery, or maybe you could create yourself from compost. Well composted steer manure and chicken manure all mixed together. This is incredible, rich and vital. So here we have our wheat berries. Just we have just soaked them, and rinsed them for just 2 or 3 days. That's all that it took, and they germinated right away, a powerful wheatgrass. So we're going to sprinkle the wheat berries over the tray of composted gardening soil, rich and vital. So now, as soon as I get this back home, I'm going to give it a thorough watering. It will appreciate that so very, very much indeed. And then I'll cover it with a damp cloth. And every morning and evening, I'll take the cloth up and I'll give it a watering. And in less than 3 or 4 days, you'll have shoots coming up. Oh, and of course, keep the tray in a warm place in your house. Water it twice a day. Keep it covered with a damp cloth, please. Then as soon as the shoots come up, put it in your greenhouse or your cold frame, or if you live in an apartment, your south-facing window, and keep watering it. Twice a day is ideal, but at least once a day. And within a week or so, you'll have a tray of magnificent wheatgrass. Imagine this. Imagine juicing the wheatgrass. So let's give it a juicing, and let's start with some Arkansas black apple. This goes way, way back in American history. Arkansas black. Very, very dense apple, a fine keeper indeed. So let's get the And now, how about juicing some purple sweet potatoes? Why not? Why not? So, look at this beautiful, beautiful color. We are so blessed. Purple sweet potatoes. What could be more vital and more nutritious? And now for some, let's supercharge our drink with some wheatgrass. And here we have it, my dearest, a purple sweet potato, Arkansas black apple, wheatgrass juice, charged with vitality and aliveness. Out of the depths of this winter, we shall spring forth to unimaginable heights. You will lead us, my dear friends, to victory. As your forebears, the greatest generation, led us out of the Great Depression and to victory against radical evil in the Second World War. My dearest friends, it is my privilege, my honor to share with you. You might want to click the subscribe button down below, maybe even give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and criticisms are treasured by us. Thank you for permitting me to share. Let us go forward. My privilege indeed. Thank you.